Hello everyone, myself Saukila Chauhan, Assistant Professor, Department of Zoology. I am going to tell just the structure of heart. So today we will discuss about the structure of heart. So I am just going to draw this diagram. Heart is a major pumping organ that is responsible for the circulating blood inside our body, and this is the simple structure of heart. So you can see here, this is a special tube located inferior side of the body, and this is another tube. This is also located superior part of the body. So we can say this part is superior vena cava. This is superior vena cava. So just discuss why call it is superior vena cava, because this tube is located superior part of the body, and this tube is located inferior part of the body. That's why this structure is inferior vena cava. Inferior vena cava. So vena cava word comes from the veins. Veins is the blood vessels inside our body, and this blood vessel is most responsible for the circulating the blood inside our body. So here different veins comes and meet together and form large tube. This tube is superior vena cava. Vena cava, that means large. This is large structure of veins. So different veins meet together in this side and form a large tube. This tube is superior vena cava. So this superior vena cava brings blood from the anterior part of the body, and this inferior vena cava brings blood inferior part of the body. So now, after receiving the blood, this inferior vena cava and superior vena cava send blood to the heart. So just tell about the how many structure in the TA section or VA section of heart. So when we see the structure of heart, we will see the four chamber. So what is actually four chamber? These four chambers are, first is, this is auricles. This is auricles. So this is auricles. It is present on right side of the body. That's why we can say this is right auricles. Now this is right auricles, and here a special chamber. This is large chamber than the auricles. So this is called ventricles. So this is right ventricles, and here a special another structure. This structure is located on the left side of the body, that is left auricles, and after that we will discuss about the left ventricles. So inside the heart there are four chambers. First chamber is right auricle, and second chamber is right ventricles. And now this is left side, this is left auricles, and this is left ventricles. So here four chambers. Okay, now between these chambers a special valve present. These valves are, now between right auricles and right ventricle a special valve here. This valve is tricuspid valve, or we can say this valve is auriculoventricular valve. Why it is called auriculoventricular? Because it is present between the auricles and ventricles. That's why this is auriculoventricular valves. Now, so this is also known as tricuspid valve. So why it is called tricuspid? Because here three muscles are attached with these valves, and that's why this is tricuspid valves. Now in left side between auricles and ventricles, here a special valve. This is bicuspid valve. Why it is called bicuspid valve? Because here two muscles are attached with this valve. That's why this is bicuspid valve. Now, so I am writing the name of this tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. And this is bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. So, first of all, in from superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, the right auricle receive blood. Inferior vena cava bring blood from inferior side of the body, and superior vena cava brings blood from anterior part of the body, and this blood will reach into the right auricles, and after reaching right auricles, this blood will go to the right ventricles, and this right ventricle is the most important chamber. It is responsible for sending blood to the lungs. So for the transferring from the blood into right ventricle, from right ventricle to lungs, here a special valve attached or a special blood vessels attached. These blood vessels is pulmonary arteries. You can say, what is this? This is pulmonary arteries. These pulmonary arteries arising from right ventricles and sending blood to the lungs. So this is our lungs, and you can say this is right side of right lung, and this is left lungs. So deoxygenated blood go to the inferior vena cava and also go to the superior vena cava, and after reaching this vena cava, this blood will go to right auricles, and after right auricles, this deoxygenated blood will go to the right ventricle, and after right ventricle it will go to lungs by this pulmonary arteries. This is pulmonary arteries. Pulmonary arteries. Okay. This pulmonary arteries are special arteries in which the pulmonary artery deoxygenated blood drains, and this is right lungs and this is left lungs, and this blood will go to the lungs, and here the purification process or gas exchange process will occur, and after gas exchange, here are special capillaries which is responsible for bringing blood from lungs to right auricles, left auricles, and this is also bring blood to the left auricles, and in left auricles oxygenated blood will come from left lungs and also from right lungs, and this blood, oxygenated blood, will come to the left auricles, and after left auricle it will go to left ventricle, and after left ventricle here a special capillary attached or veins, not veins, aorta. This is aorta. So this is large capillary in lungs, heart, and after sending this blood will go to the pulmonary aorta, this is aorta, and after from this side blood will circulate through over our body. This is the complete structure or complete function of heart. So thank you so much.